What is up, people? It is December 8th, 2022. It's been a long time, long process, but Mike Boyle's Silver Arrow Jetta is finally back. It's been, I think, 2 years. The last video on the YouTube channel is the day that he grenaded the motor. So we are heading down there to take a look at the finished product. This is Mike's Silver Arrow. He's got the Euro Vento bumper on. That's pretty cool. Sounds good. It's been a long time. Got the big fat wires on there. It's a lot of polish on there. Yeah, it's just, you'll have fun getting it all back to where it's got to be, and you got time. You're not rushing for the season. I hate that feeling. Yeah, sounds healthy. Don't sound anything like it. That video that we did last time.
No, not at all.
So you're on a chip tune. And
Kevin's favorite.
United. And how many pounds of boost?
So I don't know. I never looked, but I was going.
Yeah. Busy steering.
I think I saw myself only at like 5. I think I got up to like 8, I think.
Yeah, most of them I think run at 8.
Yeah.
And it's a Vortech V9.
It is.
Yeah.
VR charge or not? I'm just fucking looking up and back there.
Yeah.
Been a long time.
Little peppier than the 2-point slow.
push.
Yeah.
God damn, they got balls of steel, man. To be double, triple what I got.
Yeah.
I'm cool with what I got.
Yeah.
Them motherfuckers are crazy.
Yeah, and with front wheel drive, you know, you risk breaking it. It's a lot of strain on things. But it sounds amazing.
It does.
And you're just really cruising. You know, if you want to hit it. Once in a while. Have a little fun. Yeah, it definitely blows the tires off of there.
Maybe right now.
Yeah, it definitely has a power range. I only rode in maybe one, I guess a couple. I only rode in a handful of supercharged cars.
Yeah, this is my first one.
Definitely feels different than a turbo. Turbo, you're like waiting.
Yeah, that's what they say. I don't know. Alright, so I only earned, I owned AWP was my Mark IV.
Yeah.
But that was a turbo car, but that was just stock. I don't know, but I didn't like it. I had boost leaks, I think, or something. I don't know, whatever was wrong with that car, but I got rid of it. The only other turbo car I had was a Mk3, which was a 2.3 turbo coupe motor inside of a Mk3, the XR4TI, which was pretty cool because it was done up. But I was same thing with the motor. I was spinning, like every time I get it done, I'd fuck up again.
Yeah.
I haven't been getting on it yet. I'm still learning the car, so I don't want to break it, you know what I mean? I'm still afraid of this car breaking still.
Yeah. You'll get over that.
Yeah, like this is the road I always fuck up on. This is the road that I used to always get towed on.
Yeah.
It sucked because I was right down the street from my house. Like, I know that my 5th gear, so I talked to my guy, I'm probably going to be doing a six speed in this. I actually am, because my 5th gear, it's gonna scream. I'm in 5th now. Like,
yeah, and I think with that trans that you got, you know, my car's like that too. I've been noticing with my car from not driving the VR so much. When you're on the highway, you're always at $3,000 or whatever, you know, and you know, it's small motor, high revving.
Right. I got that CDM trans, so it's all closed gears anyway.
Yeah, what do you got, a TDI 5th?
No. So my guy
that's
will
really
do it.
supposed to be short.
That's supposed to actually, that's what he's recommending I put in, or do a 6-speed.
The taller TDI or 6-speed.
Yes, the 5th gear TDI. 5th gear TDI is supposed to be better for me. This car just wants to stay in a higher R.
Well, it sounds good, and like you ride in here now, and it's like it came like that. Like you would never even know that it was modded.
Oh, that's not Shakespeare. Yeah, I mean,
yeah, the sound's crazy. Like I don't even have to go fast if it just surges like a, you know.
ride's pretty good. I mean, everything's fucking new. It's just better.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's all you need. Be able to go for a ride. Be able to punch it real good if you want to.
What's wrong with people right now going 10 miles an hour on this road, though? I just wanted to have her back and then I could just drive her again. And what she was compared to now, yes, huge difference.
Yeah.
Like, I'm cool with it. Like,
Yeah, that
sure, I'll probably want more speed, but I'm alright.
it didn't sound the same. You know, you could tell the motor was hurting. That last time we went for a ride,
Yeah.
you could just hear it. It's running good now. But you don't need any standalone, dude. Yeah, nice chip tune.
Yeah, I just went out.
Installed.
It did. Why? She started right back up. She seems fine. Maybe something. Maybe I was running rich or lean. I don't know. I'll have to ask John about it.
Goes good, dude. Yeah, the power band's crazy compared to a turbo.
Is it? I've never really been in a turbo car except for a set of times. I've been in Kevin's, but not
Yeah, it's
long
not-
enough to even know how it's supposed to like work.
Yeah, and it's not, you know, like a VRT, you know, Mark 3, then it's like, you know what the car feels like and everything.
Right.
It's be more comparable. You know, his car's 24 valve, a lot more displacement.
Right, I guess you're right, yeah.
I mean, still the same engine, but
There's more valves and shit, right?
yeah.